Avoiding pitfalls. Mastering, look after, in English phrasal verbs. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive deeper into the world of phrasal verbs. Our focus will be on the phrasal verb, look after. It's commonly used but also frequently misunderstood. We're not just going to understand its meaning, but we'll also cover common mistakes and misconceptions. So, let's get started. First things first, the phrasal verb, look after, essentially means to take care of someone or something. Here are a few examples. She looks after her younger brother while their parents are at work. Can you look after my plants while I'm on vacation? Now, let's address some common misconceptions about look after. 1. Many people mistakenly think look after means to look or search for something. Remember, look after is about care, not search. 2. Another common error is using look after interchangeably with watch. While both could mean supervising someone or something, look after implies responsibility and care, not just passive observation. Now let's discuss some common mistakes in the usage of look after. 1. Incorrect verb tense usage. Remember, like other phrasal verbs, look after changes with the tense. For example, I looked after my sister last week is correct, but not I look aftered my sister last week. 2. Incorrect preposition. It's look after, not look for, or look at. The preposition after is integral to its meaning. The key to mastering look after is practice. Try to create your own sentences using look after. Ensure you're considering the context of care or responsibility, using the right tense and preposition. And there we have it. I hope this video helps you navigate the often tricky waters of the phrasal verb, look after. Remember, practice is the key. Make use of look after in your daily conversations, and you'll see your English proficiency improve. Keep looking after your English learning journey, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!